Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you 5 lipstick hacks that you need to know. So the first lipstick hack is for those days when you want to remove stubborn matte lipsticks but you don't have makeup remover. So a lip balm comes handy in that. Just take a lip balm and apply it over the lipstick, and what it does is that it breaks down the lipstick, and then take a tissue paper and just pat your lips with it. A lot of lipstick comes out like this, and then remove some more lipstick with a tissue paper. For the final removal, apply a layer of lip balm again, and in this way just wipe it off with a tissue paper. This hack comes handy when you have forgotten to carry a makeup remover and you need to change your lipstick urgently at work. Now, second hack is to mix 2 lipsticks to get your own custom color. Yes, you don't need to buy specific color lipstick always. For example, you need a coral lipstick, you don't need to buy it. Just apply an orange lipstick that you have in your kitty, and then over that apply a nude lipstick, and you will get the most beautiful coral lipstick ever for your skin tone. Likewise, you can mix a lot of lipsticks like pink and nude and a lot ones. It saves a lot of money and creates custom colors for your skin tone. Try it, I'm sure you're gonna love it. Now, third lipstick hack is to fix a lipstick that washes you out. Now, we all have that lipstick which is really light for our skin tones, but we don't want to throw it out because we spent a lot in that. So for this, here is a hack. Use a brown lip liner over your lips. Just fill your lips slightly with that, and in this way you will get the most beautiful custom nude shade for your skin tone. You don't need to throw that lipstick. Next hack is to create the most pro-like lipstick look ever. So for that, apply a lip liner after you have applied your lipstick. Concentrate more on the middle of the lower lip and the cupid's bow, and you will get the most pro look that all the YouTubers sport. And you must have wondered what they really do. So this is what they do. Apply a lip liner after the lipstick. Try this hack, you are gonna love it. Fifth hack is how to make a glossy lipstick matte. We all have those colors which we love, but if you're like me and you love matte lipsticks more, then here is a hack. Just take some loose powder, cover your lips with a tissue paper, and then pat your brush dipped in the loose powder, and when you remove it, you get the most beautiful matte lipstick ever. So this was all about 5 lipstick hacks that you needed to know. I hope you all liked this video, and if it did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and if you want to see this video in Hindi, then please subscribe to my channel Perkymegs Hindi. The link to that will be given in the description box below. Feel beautiful, be stylish. Bye bye.